My name is Munir Khan. I am from Hyderabad, having the hair fall issue since 1.5 years. So couldn't wait, and on the day itself, I booked the appointment, and I did my hair transplant next day itself. And today is my 8th day after my hair transplant. So it is very good experience with them. Okay, as what I expected. Okay, what I thought this clinic would be, the same and more than that I got it here. As of now, my 8th day of experience I am sharing. So it is a very good experience now. So in terms of quality and productivity, and the caring, the how the people treat, okay, so it comes with a lot of experience only. So people are here professionally experienced, so I would recommend to have if anybody is feeling to do hair transplant, or they are suffering with any hair loss, so I do recommend to come to new Roots clinic. Okay, so there are a lot of branches are there, but I did it at Banjara Hills branch. So this is what I would like to say my journey. So it's a short journey only. Okay, so people are good. Okay, so the day I visited this clinic, they are told me that you are going to with us, okay, throughout 8 to 9 months. Okay, so it is like that, which give you more confidence, obviously. So it's not like that my hair transplant is done, so I am free and I'm set free, so I can go. It's not like that. People are with me, and the assurance are there. Okay, throughout my hair fall and new generation, and I think it would take 8 to 9 months. So they would be with me, and they are all time available. Okay, on over the phone to take for any guidance. So it's I recommend to visit new root clinics at Banjara Hills. Thank you guys, and thank you everybody here, all the staffs. Okay, so may God bless everyone. Thank you so much. Great day. Bye bye.